Sankhava. Tris Lakshani Pasava, Das Lakshani Pukchinam, Chatur Lakshani Manava. This is the statement how the living entities, they also develop their body and coming to the higher level. So in this verse, Padma Puran very clearly explained that this sloka is written in Padma Puran. Which Puran? Padma Puran. Not listening, maybe thinking one thing. Huh? In this Padma Puran, this sloka explain the Jalaja Lavalakshani. The 900,000 pieces we spent the many kinds of insects in the water, fish, many kinds of these things. Jalaja Lavanakshani, Sthabara Laksavinksati. Then we spent also the body of non-moving living entities. How many? 20,000 pieces of the body. How many? 20,000. That is called Laksa Vingsati, 20 lakh. 20 lakhs. Lavara, Jalaja, Loksani, Sthavara, Laksa Vingsati. Krimaya Rudra Sankhaka. Krimaya Rudra Sankha means we also spend the pieces of the body and many kinds of insects of the stool insects. Stool insects, understand? We spend or not? Yes. All we spend. How many pieces? 1100,000. Understand? 1100,000 pieces of stool insects. So now how many? 9, 20, 29 or 11? How much? 40. Then come out this 30 Lakshani Pasava. Then we also spent the 100,000 pieces of what is it called? Animals beings. And cats, dogs, cows, tiger in this way. How much then? 70. Then Dasa Lakshani Pakshina. Then we also spent 100,000 pieces of birds. How much now? 80. Then finally Lord gave and 400,000 human body. And 400 human body. That means 4 lakhs human body. So in this way we spent how many? 8.4 billion pieces we spent. That is called 84 lakh janam. Then Lord mercifully He gives us this human body, how to perform bhajan and sadhana. That's for this regard. Only the human body we can practice devotional service to Lord. You understand? Cats, dogs, animals, or insects of the stool, birds, we can perform bhajan sadhana. Just that body we acquire the 4 things: eating, sleeping, defending, and mating. But human body, only the first body we can practice bhakti, devotion, service to Lord. So for this regard, explain this verse Nidhyam Addam. Addam means first. A human body is the first we can practice devotional service to Lord. So saying the Nidhyam Addam. Then Sulabham. Sulabham means it is easy to attain to Lord. So Nidhyam Addam Sulabham and Sudurlam also. The human body is very, very rare. So for this regard, use this word Sudurlabh. One is your Durlabh, one is rare. Or Sudurlabh, one is very, very rare. So say Nidhyam Addam Sulabham Sudurlabham. Then Plabham Sukalpam. Because the human body is like boat. If you want to cross the river or ocean, need boat. So this human body is like a boat. Because Atma resides this body. So for this regard, explain this. Sulabham, Plabham, Guru Karnadharam. Guru Karnadharam. So who will to drive this boat? Gurudev. Gurudev is as like boatman. So this body is as like boat. Gurudev, he drives the boat. Guru Karnadharam. Maya anukulena navas itaram. Krishna says, Maya anukul vayu. Favorable wind. If the wind is favorable, then boat will be go very fast. So Anukul Vayu, that is what is the Anukul Vayu?
Remembrance of Krishna.
That is called Sadhu Sangha. Understand? Harikatha. Always give emphasis the word Sadhu Sangha, Harikatha. This is called our favorable wind. And boat can float very quickly go when the favorable wind will come. And boat is going this way, then same way the wind will blow, then boat will go faster. Understand? So in the same way, Guru Karnadharam. Guru is as like a Karnadhar, boat driver. Captain. Or Mayanukuleno. Krishna says, my Anukul Vayu, favorable wind, that is called Sadhu Sangha. If Sadhu Sangha is opposite way, then you cannot drive the boat, but very difficult. So the meaning Guru and Sadhu. Mayanukuleno.
Opposite way means?
If wind is coming this way, you are going this way. Wind is flowing from north to south. North to south. This is north to south coming. And you are going in here, south. So, very difficult or not?
Yes.
Should be same way. Yeah, wind should be go them way. You are going to north to south. So air should be also north to south. Then your boat will go speed. Or if the opposite way wind will come, not possible. Very difficult. Or sometimes also wind also what is called blowing in what is called whirlpool. Understand? Gurnavarta Vayu. And as like Tinavarta. That Asura. Tinavarta is also. When he came, there all the wind also blowing opposite way and doing this. So here this Mayanukulena Navas Itara. Anukul Vayu means favorable wind, that is called favorable Sadhu Sangha. What is the favorable Sadhu Sangha? Sajati Asay Snigdha. Sadhu Sangha also need this word. सजातीय आशय स्निग्ध सतोवरे. सजातीय आशय, same mood of sadhu. And you want to worship divine Lord Radha and Krishna, or the sadhu will come and speak about Shivji Katha or Kali Durga Katha. This is not favorable for you. That is opposite. So sadhu should be Krishna Bhakta. Krishna Bhakta sadhu. Understand this? Or Krishna Bhakta, or many kinds of Krishna Bhakta also. Krishna Dasa Bhakta, Sakha Bhakta, Vatsala Bhakta, and then Madhurya Bhakta. So according your mood needs same sadhu. That is called like-minded sadhu. If not associate with like-minded sadhu, then your bhajan and sadhu will never progress, develop. This thing. So sadhu need is what? I like Sarup Damodar, Raya Ramananda. Understand? Or Raghunath Das Goswami, Sanatana Goswami, Rupa Goswami. This type of sadhu. This mood of sadhu. Understand? One, that sadhu should be same mood of Rupa Goswami. If we associate with that sadhu, then very easy to also, and your bhajan sadhana easy to develop. Raghunath Das Goswami, he met with Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Then Mahaprabhu offered in the hand of Sarup Damodar, for everybody called him Saruper Raghu. Means Raghunath Das Goswami, he belongs to Sarup Damodar. Saruper Raghu. Then Raghunath Das Goswami met with Gadadhar Pandit, and with the incarnation of Srimati Radhika, Gadadhar Pandit, Sarup Damodar, Raya Ramananda also. Raghunath Das Goswami met with Raya Ramananda, Sarup Damodar, Raya Ramananda, Gadadhar Pandit, in this side development. So this is called Sajatiya Asay Snigdha Sato Bhare. And one's heart is neat and clean. No any kinds of material desires. Sadhu should be this. Neat and clean and sadhu. Antar bahire sama vyavahar. Antar, inner heart, and outer heart should be same. Antar bahire sama vyavahar amani mano dohoboy. Antar bahire sama vyavahar amani mano dohobo. Bhaktivinoda Thakur sang this song also. Antar Hriday and Bahir Hriday. Antar Hriday, inner heart. Or Bahir Hriday means external also. And Antar Hriday, what is that? Always remembering how to serve divine Radha and Krishna. Antar Hriday. Sirupa Manjari Karar Chita Pada Padma Goshtandana Bhujar Pita Mastakaya Ha Madhada Kanaka Guri Padar Vidan Sanvayani Tavakim Karishe. These types of mode. So Sajatya Snigdha Sata Bhare. Sata means Santa Mahatma, Sadhu. Bhare means which higher than me. Here Bara, Bara means Srishta. Srishta means topmost. He is higher than me. That sadhu should be higher than me. Higher than me means he is taller than me. What is that? Kola? Very advanced devotee. Some Buddha is very small but speaks very nice. Have you just when he started to speak, small, but he good or not? Sometimes he's watching. He is speaking. Automatically her finger going this way. Huh? Very small, but speaks very smartly. Smart, understand? So saying Sajatya asa snigdho and sato bari. Sato means Santo Mahatma. Bari means Shrestha, higher or great sadhu. And here also great sadhu means one's heart completely, absorbedly submerged in the divine love of Srimati Radhika. Radha Prema Sikta. You understand? When one's heart completely and absorbed with divine love of Srimati Radhika. And that is called the perfect meaning of Sato Bhare. Sato means Santa Mahatma, Sadhu. Bhare means, what did he say? Advance. Here, advance means, Shrestha means absorbed with the mood of Srimati Radhika. Radhikara Bhav. Radhikara Bhav Gambhir. Chittajar Mahadhir. This is the Ganasanga na koilo. जीवने केमने से पाइबे अरे
श्यामानंद श्यामानंद राधा कृष्ण स्नानानंद राधिका चरण पद्म
राधिका चरण पद्म से सकली से रसद्म देन जतने जे नहीं आराधिका mean one who does not worship the lotus feet of Srimati Radhika. Radhika चरण रेणु भूषण करिया तनु अनायासे पावे गिरिधारी. That is saying this है अनारद्ध राधा पदाम्भुज रेणु अनाश्रित बिंदा अटवी तत्पदांकम असंभस तदभाव गंभीर चित्तन कुत श्याम सिंधु रस सावगाह. If you want to submerge in the divine love of Srimati Radhika, Syama Sindhu means good. Syama Sindhu means the ocean of Singaras, conjugal mode, that is called Syama Sindhu. Syama Singara Rasa iti Vishnu Daivataha. One great Rasa Acharya, Vishnu Daivata. He also is Singaras means, and Samaras means Singaras. That is called conjugal mode. And Braj, Parakya, conjugal mode. And in the this Braj Parakya mode only remain in the heart of the Braj Gopis. So Braj Parakya Ras. So if you want to submerge in Braj Parakya Ras, paramul mood of Braj, you have to follow how many principles? 4 or 5? How many? Are it 3? How many principles do you follow? 3. What are the 3? One pointed with Srimati Radhika. Anaradha Radha Padam. Then Anaradha Radha Padam Mujarenu Anasita Binda to be Tatpadam. Have to stay in Vrindavan. Where you say? Vrindavan, particular place. As like Seva Kunja, Nidhuvan, Nikunjavan, Ter Kadamba, or Jabat, Kokilavan. This place. Confidential place. Barsana. Many places. Sanket one. You understand it? Prem Sarovar. This is a particular place. Giriraj, Govardhan, Radha, Kunda, many places. So saying in this verse, Anaradha Radha Padambujarenu Anasipta Binda Atavi Tat Padankam. Where you will not stay? Where? Chandravali's place. Shakhistali. You should not go in the place of Chandravali. This is the very important. You have to stay in Vrindavan. वृंदावन है जथा राधाधिपत्यम है वृंदावन मम रसस्तु में है इन दिस वर्स आल्सो आई विल स्टे इन वृंदावन वेयर श्रीमती राधिका शी आल्सो कंकर्ड है to कृष्ण with her divine love है जहाँ पर कृष्ण श्रीमती राधि जहाँ पर राधा जी कृष्ण के प्रेम के द्वारा वशीभूत कर रहे हैं श्रीमती राधिका शी कंकर्ड to कृष्ण with her transcendental prema and that place where is that place Jabat Kokilaban Ter Kadamba this is very powerful place Radha Kunda Srimati Radhika she asked to Krishna you put alta on my feet alta understand great lakhs you put and though Krishna is Bhagavan ete jangsa kalapungsa Krishnastu Bhagavan asa that time Krishna himself coming and sitting very close to Srimati Radhika and he was looking very nice beautiful footprints of Krishna कृष्ण के चरण चिन्ह को देखने में एक कृष्ण के राधा जी के चरण चिन्ह के है हाउ इज ब्यूटीफुल सॉफ्ट है व्हाट इज कॉल्ड टोज नहीं व्हाट इज कॉल्ड दिस इज सोल है ऑफ श्रीमती राधिका है अंडरस्टैंड दैट सिम्पटम इज देयर हाउ मेनी सिम्पटम्स 21 and 21 symbol in the feet of Srimati Radhika. Or Krishna how many? 19. Less 2. And Krishna's how many symptom? How many sign symbol in his what is called soul? 19th. Or Srimati Radhika's 2 extra. That is called 21. Ekavingsati charan. Understand this? So where do you stay? Na Vrindavan Bhumi. But where Srimati Radhika, she also control that place. Vrindadhipattam. Where the Srimati Radhikas, she controls that place. Yeah, understand? So saying what? Anas, what is it? Anaradha Radha Padambujavirenu Anasita Vindavatavi Tatvakam. Are Asambhasa Tadbhava Gambhir Chittan. If you not associate with high class exalted Brajarasi Guru, so how possible Suddha Bhakti, Prema Bhakti will manifest in your heart? So for this regard, Raghunath Das, this verse also recited. This verse is Anaradha Radha Padambujarenu Anasita Binda Ataping Padankam Asambhasa Tadbhava Gambhira Chittan Kutasamo Sindhu Rasasavagaha. If you want to submerge Samo Sindhu, means Singar Ras, and conjugal mood, you have to follow how many principles? 3 principles. Again, follow. What are the 3?
You have to be one pointed to Srimati Radhika. You have to stay in Braj in the places where she has conquered Krishna by her divine love. And also you have to take shelter of a Brajarasik sadhu.
Brajarasik sadhu, listen Harikatha. Without listening Harikatha from Brajarasik sadhu, any method, the Singaras will not manifest in your heart. Understand? This is the process. This sloka I have to learn. Anaradha Radha Padambujarenu Anasita Binda Atavi Tatpadankam Tadbha Anaradha Radha Padambujarenu Anasita Binda Atavi Asambhasa Tadbhava Gambhira Chittan Kutasamo Sindhu Rasasavagaha. So always associate high class, exalted, Brajarasik sadhvan karo. So the Nidhya Madhyam Sulabham Prabham Sukalpam Guru Karnadharam Mayanukulena Navasya Itaram. And here Anukul Vayu means favorable wind, that is called Sajatiya Snigdha Satu Vari, that is called Sadhu Sangha. Many kinds of sadhu. Karmi sadhu, Gyani sadhu, Yogi sadhu, Bhanda sadhu. Many Bhanda sadhu, you know, Bhanda sadhu. What is a Bhanda sadhu? Flake sadhu.
Fake sadhu. Fake sadhu.
Flake. No, fake, what do you say?
Not real, fake, no?
Not real.
Fake sadhu.
Understand? Putting there, what is it called? Artificial dreadlocks. And artificial, artificial beard. This. Sometimes we also joked, very nice story. And one artificial sadhu came one person's house. That time she was alone, her husband was not there. And I said, Bhikshang, Bhikshang. Generally, Indian people, if you come here, automatically they will bring some alms, Bhiksha. Then sadhu told, oh, very nice. So, I want to see your, what is it called? Hand. Haath dekhe. Understand? Many sadhus, they also are doing this. Haath dekha sadhu. They are reading the palm. Actually, this is not. They are enjoying sense gratification. Stupid nonsense. Don't show your, what is it called? Palm to sadhu. So that sadhu told, okay, I can read your palm. Understand? Flexa. Actually, he did not know how to read the palm. Because just to want to cheat, that is what is called cheating propensity. Oh, you are very lucky. And then that lady, she was very happy. Gave 100 rupees or sadhu. Murgi acha mil gaya. Then thinking, just I read, just I told. Then he gave me how many rupees? 100 rupees. Then the sadhu thinking, okay. Then he told, listen, I want to tell you another thing. So, what? This is very confidential. Only Sadhu Baba tell me what the confidential. Do you know? In front of your courtiers, just 100 meter. 100 meter down, one whale coming. Whale, understand? Yeah. What is he saying?
Whale or oil?
Oil. So, very quickly you will become a rich person. Bug, Telugu. What oil will come out?
Yeah.
Petrol. Okay. Petrol, kerosene, no problem. Many things coming. I understand these things. Many countries, especially in Russia, area. Or you go Arab countries, just digging and 1 meter, then oil coming. Bug. So sadhu told, now I am looking. Just how many? 100 meters. Under your ground, 40 years. So a lot of oil there. She was very intelligent. That lady, she was being told, sadhu is true or not? Yes, I am blessing. Soon you will become rich. So you give me some donation. I say, okay, this is true. Then she told Sadhu Baba, okay, I will give 1,000 rupees to you. Sadhu Baba, very nice murgi mila gaya. But she is thinking, okay, Sadhu Baba, you can take prasad in my home. Okay, good, nice. And 3 days I did not eat. Okay. So she prepared and rice and little sabji. And very quickly she offered to Sadhu. Sadhu eating, no dal, no any liquid. dry. Then sadhu asks, in your house no ghee? Ghee? You are stupid sadhu. You are looking, and how many?
100 meters.
100 meter down,
You can see oil
the oil, or you are not looking. Before she also put some ghee underneath the rice and cover this. Just 1 inch ghee in your rice. You are not looking, or you are looking vision. 100 meter sadhu. You understand? So this is the fake sadhu. What is it? Fake sadhu. So if you associate the fake sadhu, you will not get any benefit. Bhanda sadhu. What is it? Bhanda sadhu. If you go India, these types of sadhu, thousand are around to you. No. This is the change. So I am saying, because Anukul Vayu means favorable wind, that is called perfect sadhu. And that sadhu should be Sajatiya Asa Snigdho Sato Vare. That's sadhu sangha. And listen Hari Katha. Then your greed will come automatically. Without associate sadhu and listen Hari Katha, any method, greed will not come. Greed means lobha. You understand? Greed, look. And lobha, this greed not depend on anything. Greed is spontaneous coming. I am qualified or unqualified. That time you cannot justify. Srila Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad, and what is Grantha? Rag Bhartma Grantha. Rag Bhartma Chandrika. What is Grantha's name? Raga Bhartma Chandrika Grantha. Raganuga Bhakti ji explained this. Greed not depend on any qualification. Lobha lobhaitka karanam. How greed is coming? Well, greed coming from greed. That means greed coming from, listen, Hari Katha. When you listen Braj Katha, then your greed will come. I will serve to Divine Queen Srimati Radhika under guidance of one Pacific and Krishna Parikar, associate of Krishna. And if you are Sakharas, you think, maybe you will think, I serve to Krishna under guidance of Subal Siddham, herding the cows. Or if you are Vatsalaras, then you will think, I serve to Krishna under guidance of Mother Jasoda. Or if you have Madhurya Ras, Shingar Ras, conjugal mode, and Braj Parakya Ras, then also have to serve to Srimati Radhika under guidance of Rupa Manjari. Sri Rupa Manjari, what is sloka? Kirtan. Sri Rupa Manjari Pada, Sei Mora Sampada, Sei Mora Bhajana Pura. Anukula Habividhi. What is song? Very nice. Sri Rupa Manjari Pada, Sei Mora Sampada, Sei Mora Bhajana Pujana. That is sloka here. Anukula Habividhi, Tahate Hoibe Siddhi. What is the book? You are pagal, not bringing any book. Only sitting. Sri Rupa Manjari Pada, Sei Mora Sampada. You singing or not? Or you have no time to sing? Manusya. Nirakhiba Edui Noyane. Very nice. Anukula habe vidhi, se pade hoibe siddhi, nirakhiba edui noyane. Sirupa Madhuri Rasi Pranakuba Layasasi Prafullita Habinisi Dine. Follow. Very nice. Sirupa Manjari.
Quando a providência.
Ah.
Quando a providência se tornar favorável, eu vou poder obter os pés de lótus de Shirupa Manjari e observá-las com esses dois olhos. A beleza abundante e doce dos pés de lótus de Shirupa Manjari vão brilhar como a lua sob o lótus azul do meu coração, fazendo com que ele se desabroche em júbilo dia e noite.
These types of mood need. Prana Kubalaya Sasi. Prana Kubalaya. Our heart will be like lotus. Which lotus? Night time, blue lotus. Two kinds of lotus. One is called white lotus, and another is called blue lotus. Blue lotus is very beautiful, attractive. Understand? This is that blossom in night time. When moon rises, the rays of moon coming, that time blue lotus blossom. Or white lotus, and that is your blossom, what time? And when sun rises, the rays of sun coming, then the white lotus blossom. Understand these things. So Prana Kubalaya Sasi. Pran Kubalai. Kubalai means that is called blue lotus, night time. That lotus and blossom. That means our heart should be as like blue lotus. Prana Kubalaya Sasi. Sasi means moon, Chandrama. And understand, when the moon rises, the rays of moon coming, then blue lotus slowly blossom. Prana Kubalaya Sasi. Then Prafullita Habe Nisidine. And day and night heart will be overjoyed. So much intoxication will come. And understand? Gopis, they are not happy in daytime. Gopis, they will be happy what time? Night time. Gopis, they are not happy when rays of sun come in, because they cannot meet with Krishna daytime. Understand? Gopi will be happy what time? Night time. That time they can easy to meet with Krishna. Understand? And daytime very hot also. Hot or not? Not good. Yeah. So it's again. No. And night time is what? Chandrama. The rays of moon, very cool. Shitala, Chandana Shitala. And the, what is called? Sandalwood paste and Chandan, also cooling. Chandana Shitala Luke. And in this material are Chandan. Chandan, understand? You not Chandanbati, what is Chandan? Are Chandan, sandalwood paste. And if you put your body in sandalwood, then very cool. Many perfume coming or written in there, sandalwood. And perfume, you buying perfume or not? Which perfume you are buying? Written in there, sandalwood perfume. Very sweet smell. Understand? But more cooler, what is that? The rays of the moon. And understand? Why? Because when the moon moon rises and rays of moon coming, everybody, all Gopis' heart completely overjoyed. And one kinds of birds. What birds? Chakora. Chakor birds. Understand? Chakor birds is very, and only night time they are drinking the rays of the moon. Understand? That birds. Our Shastra explains. And what do you say? Chandra Chakora What they sung? Sri Mukha Chandra Chakora.
Oh yeah, Jai Jai Deva Hari.
Mangal Gita. Radha Krishna Govinda Gopala Nanda Dulala Jasoda Dulala Jaya Jaya Deva Hari. Jaya Jaya Deva Hari. Jaya Jaya Deva Hari. What is saying?
Abhinava Jaladhara
Abhinava Jaladhara Sundara Hita Mandara He Sri Mukha Chandra Chakor here. Sri Mukha Chandra Chakor. Jaya Jaya Deva Hari. Sri Mukha Chandra Chakor. And Radha Mukha Chandra Chakor. Jaya Jaga Jaya Disa Hari. So that means gopis, they will be happy when the sun, a moon rises. Moon what time rises? Night time. That time gopis, they can easy to meet with Krishna. Daytime they cannot meet. Everybody is looking, guarding. Gopis whereas going this. And night time, everybody sleeps. Then gopis very easy to meet with Krishna. They saying, Sri Mukha Chandra Chakora. Gopis, they always were drinking the sweet rays, the moon of Krishna. This thing. So saying Sri Mukha Chandra Chakora. Or Radha Mukha Chandra Chakora. Here another meaning is saying Krishna is always drinking the sweet rays, the moon of Srimati lotus fish. This Sri Mukha Chandra Chakora. That bird is very special bird. The only night time coming. So this is. So what I am saying is, Kisle bola, why did he speak? The sadhu sangha, what is the sadhu sangha is going? Krishna bhakti rasabhavita mati kriyatang jodi kutopi labbate tatrapi lola mullang janma kodi sukritana labbate. According to Sukriti, cannot get also. Sukriti will bring ordinary sadhu. Understand? Sukriti also, if your Sukriti matured and accumulated, then you will get sadhu sangha, so sadhu. But who is sadhu? Ordinary sadhu, Vaikuntha sadhu. Maybe Ajodhya sadhu. Maybe Dwaraka Mathura sadhu. But if you want to Braj sadhu, if you want to meet with which sadhu? Braj sadhu. That is not depend on your Sukriti. Braj sadhu sangha only depend on Lobha, greed. So I am sorry, greed is coming from where? Lobha utpattika karanam. Srila Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad Rag Vartman Chandrika explain how we will get this greed. Greed will not, you cannot greed buy from the supermarket. Greed coming from greed. Lobhattika karanam. But according to the logic, everybody asks cause and effect theory. And karja and karana. Kya bola? What did he say? Karja and karana. Just repeat, no problem. I'm not understanding. Cause and effect. Karja and karana. So maybe again question will come, how the greed will come? Understand? So for this regard, again explain greed is coming from the mercy of Krishna and Krishna Parikar. What did he say?
The greed is coming from the mercy of Krishna and Krishna's Parikar.
Krishna Parikar. This is the logic just. But greed is coming from greed. Then again also explain maybe your past impression, purva sanskar. Also coming these. Many reasons, but all the reasons just according to the logic. Actually greed coming from there is no reason. If the reason will come, so how possible established the lobhamai bhakti. Lobh means greed, not depend on any cause. Understand? But everybody want to know, what the cause, because everybody want to know cause and effect theory. Karya karan tattva. Without cause, how possible? Without reason, how possible fruit will come? Do you understand? When the rain will come? When the very hot. And hot is the symptom of soon rain will come. This is true. And here we live 3 days before and continue 3-4 days very hot. Then rain dropping. Maybe today or tomorrow will be rain will come. Hello, cloudy. So that means summer, hot, Grishma. Grishma means, I did not understand. Summer, not Hamar. मनुष्य क्या समझाए? क्या बोला? Summer, not Hamar. Understand? Not Hamar, summer. Grishma. Grishma means summer. This summer is the cause of rain. If it's very hot, today is very hot, 2-3 days we continue very hot, then you will be think soon rain will come. It's a simple way. This is called cause and effect theory. This is true. But again also Vishwanath Chakravarti says greed not depend on this also. Greed coming from greed. Lobha lobhavati ka karanam. Then say how greed is coming? Again also. Then again actual greed is coming from this mercy of Krishna and Krishna parikar. Bhagavad kripa or bhakta kripa. The two kinds of mercy. And one is called Bhagavad kripa, the mercy of Lord, and mercy of devotee. Bhagavad kripa or bhakta kripa. And this mercy not also depend on any cause also again. Understand? Why greed has come in his heart? Whose mercy? Bhagavad kripa? Well, it is impossible. Kathanchit. Kathanchit means very rare. This mercy of Lord, this is very, very rare. Because Lord says, Samahang sarva bhutesu, I am equal to all the living entities. No me desto, no me priya. Who is my enemy or who is my friend? Lord is equal to all the living entities. For this regard, Bhagavad kripa, the mercy of Lord, this is very, very rare. Possible, but very rare. Or bhakta kripa, the mercy of the devotee of Lord, this is available. Understand? This thing. This is also saying this. Bhakta kripa. If we associate with the devotee of Lord, then automatically shower of rain of mercy automatically come. This is the process. That is your thing. Narada Rishi, he gave mercy. And many also we see. Narada Rishi gave mercy to, what is his name? Mrigari. And he did not bhajan and sadhana. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, best example Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. He gave mercy to everybody. Just his darshan. Jahar dura darshane, I say Krishna prem. One who took darshan to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu very far away. And automatically Krishna prem manifesting there. Look this. Jahar dura darshane, I say Krishna prem. Mahaprabhu just chanting holy names. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare. And tiger, elephants, all the complete right. Intoxicated, Krishna prema. Nityananda Prabhu, more mercifully, magnificent, magnanimous. He gave mercy to Jagai Madhai. Rup Sanatan, they gave mercy to everyone. So Bhagavad Bhakta Kripa. This and understand this. So Bhakta Kripa, this is very and important. And understand this. The mercy of the devotee of. What do you say?
Eu queria perguntar, mas essa Bhagavata Kripa, ela acontece quando a gente encontra cansado?
O Bhagavad Gita é a misericórdia de Cristo.
Não. A do sábio acontece quando a gente encontra com ele, mas o que levaria a gente até o sábio?
So she's asking, this Bhakta Kripa happens when you meet with the sadhu, but she's asking what makes you meet with the sadhu?
What's the cause of
What is
meeting?
the cause of meeting with the sadhu?
What is the cause?
Of meeting with the sadhu.
Sometimes no need cause. Sometimes sadhu and spontaneously there. Naradisi, he met with Mrigari. Why Naradisi? He went in the forest. What is the reason? Mahad vicharan ninang grinang dino chetasam. Mahatir archlo. निज कार्य नाही प्रभु जान पर घर महंतेर स्वभाव यही तारित पामर निज कार्य नहीं तार जान पर घर द हाई क्लास exalted devotee there no any reason. What is the reason Sai Maharaj came to Western country in his old age? Why? Why did he come? His causeless mercy. Gurudev came. Why? Why did he came in Western country? This is causeless mercy. Ahituki Kripa. Try to understand. Maybe not understand. When do bhajan and sadhana, then realization will come. And in his old age, and he came in Western country. And 3 times also heart attack. Understand? And 1 year he tried to preach but not possible, unsuccessful. 1 year. And he was running here and there to preach, not possible. They don't think it is better return back to God, back to India. This is just one day he was sitting under the Trumpkin park in there, understand? And chanting. Then all hippies came. So how the hippies are there? They came. This is his causeless mercy. And all they completely intoxicated with Harinam also. Then all they gave up all the bad habits. Look this. They cut their dreadlocks. Understand? Now they become gentlemen. Sai Maharaj he told. And clean their head, very nice, beautiful. And cloth is very nice. Generally those who are called hippies, their body is bad smell coming. Bajul not allowed to the enter the bus. This is wrong. Sometimes devotees are saying.
It's not allowed.
Not allowed. Bole chalo. No need to pay anything. But because many days they are not taking shower and bad smell and so many virus come virus and COVID-19 come. Coronavirus chalo. Bad smell coming. Not allowed. But why I am saying? Because Sai Maharaj clean all their bodies. And this thing. Look there. They clean everything. And put very nice sikha. And someone can hold, cannot go. And a very nice, beautiful, shining head. Look like full moon. I like when Western devotees, they also clean their head. Now they are not good. When you clean. This is good or not? Sadhu. And they completely, absolutely surrender to lotus feet of Swami Maharaj. And all they receive Diksha, mantra, and they follow all the instruction. Understand? And they also, publish books. Very quickly, within couple months. And Sai Maharaj, he built many temples all over the world. And only 10 years, he conquered whole world. Look this. British government conquered whole world maybe 200 years. And after 200 years going this. At Sai Maharaj only 10 years, he conquered whole world. This is true or not? This is called, this is the mercy of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Ahituki Kripa. So I am saying this is causeless mercy means this. Why did he come? Question can't. किस लिए आए थे? This is his ahituki kripa, causeless mercy. Para dukha dukhe. This thing. So saying, kabe habe bolo, sedino amar, aparata guji, suddha name ruchi, kripa bhole habe, hriday sanchar. Listen this. So, mercy not depend on that. This is called, just I also explain, rag bhakti, prem, rag bhakti, braj rag bhakti, not depend on any reason. If you say he is qualified, unqualified, the reason coming. Bhakti, this is rag bhakti, braj raganuga bhakti, not depend on any reason. So for this, Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad emphasizes this word. What word? What did he say? Lobha lobhavittika karanam. Greed is the cause of greed. And greed is for spontaneous coming. Greed not looking I am qualified or unqualified. And one poor person, poor boy, and if he looks one very nice, beautiful princess, then greed will come. What greed come? I want to marry with her. She will marry or not? This is another question. The princess marry with poor boy or not? This is her desire. But that boy, poor boy, automatically what he can think? I marry with the princess. Poor boy is not thinking, oh, I am unqualified. How possible I am poor boy? That princess, she will marry with me. So if that boy is thinking, that means he is not qualified. Qualification of, why this is the example, qualification this of Raga Bhakti not depend on any reason. Understand? Gurudev, this example. That is called the Kalidas, one very foolish boy. He was sitting on the top of the branches of the tree and cutting the same branches, sitting here and cutting. He does not know when the branch of the tree will cut, finish, and he will be with fall down both of them, branches, and he will fall down and he will die. He is not thinking this. So how he is very foolish. Then some panditas, and they are thinking, oh, this is the this foolish boy will arrange the marriage ceremony with the princess of Vikramaditya. This thing. Because that princess, she was very proud of her own knowledge. And she defeated to all the panditas. So that for this reason, all panditas, they become very angry. Okay, we will and her marriage ceremony with one foolish boy. With the topmost foolish, but this boy. Hey, come. Then he came. Then asked, hey, do you want to marry with one princess? Yes. Because he does not know the princess will marry with him or not. But his greed coming. That time, okay, if you want to marry with the princess in this kingdom, listen, you do not speak anything. Understand? Just you put, what is called? Mask. That time not marks, just not speak anything. Just what will say, and just to what is called?
Raise the finger.
Raise your finger. That the Panditas, they brought the foolish boy, Kalidas. Understand? In the assembly of the princess marriage ceremony there. Then Panditas were first glorified. Look this, he is the best and Pandita in our whole country, whole world. Well, yes. But if you defeat to him, then we see your knowledge. Then princess, yes, he is best Pandit. Yes, he is best Pandit. But he does not speak. He will be speak everything in his hints, ingit. Indication, okay. Then princess also, okay, I will also indicate. Then princess raise one finger. Then Pandita sitting in that side. Pandita also raised two fingers. That means told to the Kalidas, you also raise two fingers. Then when Princess Rajkumari, she raised one finger, then Kalidas raised two fingers. That means Princess asked, Eka Brahma Ditya Nasti. Brahma is one without second. You understand? Eka Brahma Ditya Nasti. Brahma is one without second. Or Kalidas, the Pandita also raised two fingers. And Rajkumari she didn't know because Pandita is back behind the princess. So Kalidas he saw Pandita also two fingers. Two fingers. Oh, you blind my one eyes with your one finger. I will also blind your two eyes with my two fingers. Rajkumari, she does not know. Rajkumari, oh, he's great Pandita. Not Brahma, only one. Brahma and Brahma Shakti. One this is called Brahma and Brahma. Brahma is not alone. ब्रह्म केवल अकेला नहीं रहते, ब्रह्म के साथ क्या रहता है? ब्रह्म के शक्ति. अंडरस्टैंड? ब्रह्म एंड ब्रह्म शक्ति है. अंडरस्टैंड? एंड ब्रह्म एंड ब्रह्म शक्ति. राजकुमार थोड़ा oh, he is great Pandit. And that time Pandita's marriage ceremony with her. Actually, he was completely unqualified. But greed coming or not? That foolish boy, that means Kalidas, he is not thinking I am qualified or unqualified, marry with this princess. Why I am saying? Because greed not depend on qualification. Greed not depend on any qualification. Greed coming from spontaneous from your inner court of heart. But here also we say again actually greed coming through this mercy of Krishna and Krishna Parikar, Bhagavad Parikar. But mercy of Krishna, this is very, very rare. Bhagavad Kripa, very rare. But mercy is coming from devotee, Bhakta Kripa. These are things. But sometimes for causeless, there is no need. And spontaneous coming. So they again say how is spontaneous coming? Always we are what is called saying the jukti. Jukti means logic, or maybe his past impression, that is called praktaniki sanskar. Understand? Sanskari coming. This is the truth. Without praktaniki sanskar, praktaniki is a past impression, how possible will come? Devadatta Diva Ma Bhojit. When Devadatta, one boy, his name is called Devadatta. He does not eat in daytime. But he is very fat. So that means he eats what time? Night time. And Muslims, when there is also Roja month. Understand? They are no Muslim. Muslim, they are Roja month one time. And 1 month, they are not eating daytime. When sun rises to sunset, they will not eat. Ramadan. Understand? Ramadan, they are saying. But they eat what time? When sunset, night time. But they are saying we are not eating day. That means they eat night time. So that means is what we try to explain this way. This mercy is coming from sadhu kripa, bhakta kripa. So because on another also past impressions, praktani sanskar. Greed is this. Greed is coming from then. Conclusion is greed is coming from maybe mercy of Krishna or maybe the mercy of devotee, bhakta kripa, or this mercy is coming from his past impression, praktani sanskar. Impressions. Sanskar. Sanskar is very important. That is called praktani sanskar. 2 kinds of impressions. One is called adhuniki sanskar, another is called praktaniki sanskar. Past impressions and present impressions. Understand? This is called. Again you are going how these impressions is coming. Actually, the impression coming with the association of sadhu. So that means anyhow, ghurma phira karke means workful, coming here and there. Actually, this is coming from association of sadhu. Do you understand? Without sadhu sangha, good impression will not come. This is the conclusion. We are saying, okay, it's praktani sanskar, but sanskar coming from here. And everything's coming from something, And anything not coming from zero. Everything coming from something. Something comes from something. This is true or wrong? So that means the praktani sanskar, adhuni sanskar, all kinds of impressions coming from association of sadhu, satsanga. So sadhu sangha, for this regard sadhu sangha. This is the reason. So saying Krishna bhakti rasabhavita mati kriyatang jati kutopi labbate tatrapi laula mullang janmakade sukritana labbate. The sadhu always associated with high class brajarasik sadhu, not ordinary sadhu, brajarasik sadhu. Now listen, Braj Lila Katha Nisevanam, Srimad Bhagavatam. Sukdev Goswami Pad told to Parikshit Maharaj, hey Parikshit, now absorb how to remember the sweet Braj Katha. So saying Braja Katha, Lila Katha Nisevanam. Always you absorb to listen Braj Lila Katha. Understand this? Without listening Braj Lila Katha, how possible your Shuddha Bhakti, Braj Prem will manifest in your heart? Yesterday I told Srimati Radhika, Krishna, Srimati Radhika, she did man. Then Krishna played the flute. Then Srimati Radhika put a blocked her ears with the cotton. Cotton put here. 2 side cotton. Not listening. The sound of flute not enter in her ear. So how Krishna, he will break her man? Man कैसे भंग करें? Krishna played the flute. The sound of the flute is very powerful. Break the man of Srimati Radhika. Around Srimati Radhika she blocked. Yesterday told you blocked your 2 ears with the finger, you can sound coming. What sound coming?
The body burning in the crematorium.
And you can put this way. So sometimes baby also playing, put in this way. No other sound inside the sound, and make him woo. And people are saying this is the Ravana Chita. Ravana Chita, understand? Ravan, people are saying, that is called just people are saying, Loka Katha. When Ravan's body burning, understand? And always unlimited time, their body will be burned. Different people are saying. This is not true or wrong. I'm just saying this way. Understand? These are things. Ravana and Chita. Already. These are going. People are saying this way. You close your ears with the two fingers, there is sound coming. At the cemetery place, the dead body burning and this. So now why? Because Srimati Radhika, she blocked her ears with the cotton. Now Krishna's fruit failed. So anyhow, have to take out the cotton from the ears of Srimati Radhika. How to take out? Who will go? Which manjari will go? Pakada manjari, jalebi manjari, rasa manjari. Who will go? Because Srimati Radhika now she is very angry. No one can go. Even the Sakhis cannot go. Srimati Radhika is very angry. Further, Raghunath Das Goswami quoted this verse. Where? Jatkin Chittana Gulumaki Kadamakang Gosti Samasinitat Sarvananda Mukunda Daitang Lilanukulang Param Sastri was Putamidang Nishtintang Janchaya Brahma Devi Saspriyan Modiantaya Vandati. And the purport about the word, that time Jogamaya she arranged. How Jogamaya arranged? Srimati Radhika did man and she left to Krishna. And then she entered in the forest and Braj their forest, very small path, that is called Pagdandi. Pagdandi means only one person can pass with go. Not at a time two person. If you come in, this person is going that way, or if you go that way, so how to go? Maybe you lay down, then you go. Sometimes joke. One car is coming this side, another car is going this side. Then another person told, hey, you back. They go like, I will go back. This is lose my what is it called? Prestige. Prestige, understand? Yeah. I cannot back. But you back, well, I cannot lose my also prestige. So what will do? Both will stop the car. Both stop the car. And both car is front. Front of them. And both also. So both no one to lose their prestige. To back the car, this is your lose the prestige. Oh my God, what to do? Then one driver is reading the newspaper. Well, what will do here? When he read his newspaper, then he take what to do? Hey, you go, but you give me that newspaper, I will read also again. So that means this one. Why I am saying this? If the Pagdandi means only one person can pass. So Srimati Radhika, she is going a small path, narrow path. Not this go, this side, bush, throne, this side also cannot go. So that time Krishna, remember to Jogamaya. Jogamayam pasritam. Then Jogamaya, she helped to Krishna. How to Srimati Radhika meet with Krishna. Then Jogamaya, she manifested one black serpent. That is a Krishna Sarpa. And raised the two tongues. And very shiny, reddish eyes. And opened the mouth. And snake. When Srimati Radhika, she saw the snake, then afraid. Then Srimati Radhika returned back. Krishna, Krishna Mahabahu. Hey Krishna, protect to me. Save me. Then embrace to Krishna. Then Srimati Radhika, man automatically what? Balo Vrindavan Vihari Lal. You understand? This is the process. So the Jogamaya she will arrange. Because in Vrindavan, all they also are to helping how Radha Krishna they meeting together. हाँ, so saying Jatkinchit Tinagulma Kikoto Mukang Goste Samasitat Sarvananda Mukunda Devitang Lilanukulang Param Shastri was Putamitra Nishtintan Jancha Brahmadivi Sasvirino Madhyang Tayavandati. All the high class exalted devotee Brahma, Shiva, Narada, all they are hankaring to remember these pastimes of Vrindavan. What will do? You give to me. Okay, chalo. Now take prasadam. Gaur Premananda. So what did he say? Conclusion, Lobha, Lobha Karanam. But this lobh is coming, greed is coming from Sadhu Sangha Harikatha. Greed is coming from Sadhu Sangha Harikatha. Gaur,
भक्त संग और भक्त संग के द्वारा साधु संग को पहुंचा जा सकता है।
अरे भक्त मीन साधु, साधु ही भक्त कहा जाता है. कर्मी साधु, ज्ञानी साधु, दे एक्चुअल नॉट साधु. Sadhu should be Bhakta Sadhu. Those who are one pointed with Srimati Radhika, they are topmost Sadhu. Bhakta Sadhu. Should not associate with Jnani Sadhu, Yogi Sadhu, Karmi Sadhu. Associate with which Sadhu? Bhakta Sadhu. Or among the Bhakta Sadhu was a devotee of Srimati Radhika. Radhika Bhava Gambhir. That you sing the song now. Always associate with Bhakta Sadhu or Bhakta Sadhu with a devotee of Srimati Radhika. So saying Anaradha Radha Padam Bhujarenu Anasita Bindaduvi Tat Padankam Asambhasa Tadbhava Gambhir Chittan Kutas Sama Sindhu Rasasava Gaho. Sama Sindhu means Singaras. Sama Singara iti Vishnu Daivataha. Singaras means Samras means Singaras. Conjugal mode. You have to associate with high class, exalted Singaras Sadhu. Good. Chal. Karmi Sadhu. Check this. Only drinking water. From morning to now drinking water. I am hungry, no prasad. चलो ठीक है, ठीक है कि नहीं? हाँ, गुरु कृपा छोड़ करके और कुछ है ही नहीं. नहीं को साधना बल. क्या संग भला?
गुरु कृपा बिना नहीं कोई साधना बल.
भज मन भज अनुखान.
श्री गुरु चरण कमल भजन.
श्री गुरु चरण कमल भज मन भज अनुखान. और गुरु कृपा ही केवलम. मनुष्य सब. ओके. Today last, tomorrow going another place.
Jai Shri Gurudev ki.
कोटि कोटि दंडवत, कोटि कोटि चरण ओके. राधा दास ओके.